Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lo-Fi Freaky Fresh THORnews Friday. We are 2.5 weeks away from the amazing American August eclipse of 2017. And as I predicted oh so long ago, the weather would get increasingly weird up until that point. So, things will be changing fast. So for Lo-Fi Freaky Fresh Friday, I may be talking to you on and off all day, all night, possibly through the weekend, and at some point it would be great if we went to the ocean. Maybe not, though. We're going to keep our eye on the weather. And if you have your eyes on what I have my eyes on, we are looking at our globe of Earth, flattened out on a map, the jet stream, 250 miles up, I do believe. And so, I'm going to pause for like 7 seconds and just let you look. Tell me what you see. Candyland Chutes and Ladders. Alright. And this is doomy, and this is gloomy, but we are superheroes, and we were made, built, and trained, and created for these exact moments where all the timelines, dimensions, and dreams are converging here now. It's like two possible futures rotating around the event horizon. Dun dun. I'm thinking it's binary. You know, wait, plus one complicated. The main reason I'm making this video, which the title will be about, is, hey y'all, the weekend is looking squall AFRN. You know what I'm saying? The squall that's going to be going through, that's been going through, and will continue to go through the East Coast of the United States. Looks nasty. We got to keep our eye on it. See that? I believe the professionals call it a trough. Oh, wow. Those almost look like boobs. And those almost look like boobs. Did you hear the New York Post said boobs were back and better than ever? And I thought that was exciting. Okay, so, yeah, we got a trough coming, where the jet stream is dropping its dongle down into the wet weather. And that's just how it is. This thing be dangerous, bringing a lot of wind, a lot of rain. Like yesterday in New Jersey, in just some pop-up storm, they got 5.5 inches, like an hour, in New Jersey. So things are going to be getting wetter and weirder and windier and hailier, just the way it is. So the main point in this video is just say, hey, we got this giant squall coming in. All right, we're going to move 3 hours forward. And watch. Let me move it over here. All right, crap. Okay. Now we're going to move forward. This is today. I'm about to 5 p.m. And notice how she'll just keep moving. And the two storms kind of hook up binary. We should all be hooking up a little more. Okay, so look at these two storms. They're going to be hooking up there. All right. This doesn't show them hooking up that much, but right there as well. But I got a feeling about 5, 6, 7 hours from now, we're going to see that more of a hookup line. And then you got all this through here. And there's been a lot of flooding going on in Arizona. There was flooding yesterday in California. And so, this is the squall line I'm watching. This is at the end of the night tonight. I bet it will be worse than this. This tends to undersell things. If we want to go to another opinion, though, we can go over to windy. And remember, we got these two massive hurricanes. This has just been a hurricane machine, and now the models are spitting out double hurricanes or tropical depression storms for the Gulf of Mexico and the East Coast. in about 2 weeks. Whew. All right. We're going to click it over to rain. That's what we're doing. Boom. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that situation going on. That is crazy. Remember, about 20 million people or more have been displaced from their homes in Asia on the coasts because of this crazy activity. And this has kind of just been hanging there. This ain't going nowhere. It just kind of hangs there and rains, which is bad. Thoughts and prayers go out to you. Like I said, it's doomy and gloomy, man, but I got to keep my sense of humor somehow. If I'm going to be doing this every day. Okay. At least up to the eclipse. So yeah, we're just going to let this run. This is the Friday the 5th. This is Winty on the GFS. Look at that thing. That's why I'm going to kind of just giving you guys live updates all day. So they tend to disconnect it, but if that thing doesn't disconnect, you know what I mean? Still, at the bottom stays connected to the thingamadoody, man. So that's the Squall line. This is now a Sunday already. Let's do that again, shall we? Okay, right there is like Friday afternoon today. And that's, I mean, that's a giant freaking storm. That has dropped, I think, the highest totals in a day. Looking at like 8-9 inches, over 12 inches. So, you know, this is wave after wave after wave after wave after wave. And that's what we're watching. Because, like, I was going to make the ice cream analogy, like Nolan Ryan used to say about fastball. Everybody loves a fastball and ice cream, but nobody likes ice cream. Coming at them at 107 miles per hour in frozen ball. Okay, maybe I totally screwed that joke up. But I'm just saying, I'll be covering this all day because we got a giant storm growing, and the giant storm shall probably grow up into the eclipse on August 21st, which is Monday. I'd say go ahead and take off work now. Have a 3-day weekend. It is approaching the end of the summer, and winter is coming. We got a thing going on where it's gonna be like 110 degrees in the west, and then the cold front coming down through the Great Lakes area. So winter is coming. In this story of fire and ice, this Game of Thrones season 7, real live in time. Okay, so everybody stay cool. Look at this, and they got that. There you go. So when are we at now? We're Wednesday the 8th, party people. And look at that. We got a giant freaking storm coming. Oh, look at that. It fits, man. And you can tell this has done this as patterns as Mother Nature many times before. And so, is it a pulsar moving through? I mean, who knows? You know, we don't know what we got going on. And nobody seems to agree on anything these days, which makes the problematic stuff even that more problematic. And I'll remind you, we are all one Earth family. We're going to solve this together. And we have all the technology, we have all the gifts, we have everything that every generation has left for us to solve all these problems. The only thing we don't have anymore is the means to communicate. Somehow, social networking has broke down our ability to actually communicate with one another. You know? And we're superheroes. We're here to solve these problems. So let's solve some of these problems. We're now in like the 13th in the GFS, and it's got, you know, the same areas are going to get rained on multiple times every week for the next few weeks. Who knows when this is stopping. So, I'm just doing my best I can. I pray the universe, let me get a damn good hug, beautiful woman, and fucking back rub. Did I just use that word? I apologize. I should go now then. Peace out.